Hey guys,
No, this is me, James.
You said it for mine.
All right, go ahead, Ethan. Roll.
Hey guys, this is Ethan and I, and I'm going to be flying my brother's airplane. Let's go.
That's broken.
Whoa.
Where is it? Boom!
The result of it crashing with my brother's airplane. My brother.
Brand new airplane.
It's not flying as well anymore.
Easton, do a couple more flies. It doesn't look too good right now, but it looks.
See the result of his turn on.
Head to the moon. And head it back. Burn.
Make sure to go check out Master Charizard EX on YouTube. And subscribe to Big E Living My Best Life. Ooh. Is it okay? Is it okay? It doesn't look too good. Doesn't look good. Let's go! Let's see it fly! Boo! We want to see action! Right? We want to see action! The viewers want to see action!
More action, more action.
I can show them action.
They want to see more action! More action! More action! More action! More action! More action!
It's not looking good for the airplane.
More action! More! They want more flying!
Oh, no.
Let me see, can I fix it?
No, I can fix it.
Don't worry, y'all. It's just that.
Keep your
Okay.
toes steady.
It slides on. It slides on.
Oh.
It slides on. It slides on.
Okay.
But can I even get this on here?
I can.
Okay, wait just a second. Let me try real quick. Okay, I want to see how my brother doing it. Let's see here.
Okay, should I drop the accent? Okay, let's see. Can I do
Down
it?
below. Comment down below if you like the accent.
We're back in action. Where's the front wheel?
I
don't know, sir. You lost the front wheel.
Drop your foot.
Sorry, sorry.
They can see you.
Easton, I won't be able to land it.
Here we go.
To start the video.
Okay.
I can't post it now.
We're still gonna post it.
Huh?
We're still gonna post it.
Okay.